subscribe.
Ice bar drip my wrist. Walk up in the club and I drip on the beat. You know I'm a P, I might pimp on the beat. Call a little money, got the drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. Call a little money, get the drip like this. Drip like drip.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Rell to Rell, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man. It's your boy, man, Rell to Rell. Y'all already know what it is. So right now, got some little ladies in the car with me today. TT. Ain't never been on the camera with me. Y'all here now. What's up? No, I'm not. Got my wife and everything over here. Y'all see it. Yeah. Miss Rell to Rell. If y'all didn't know what it is. But
yeah,
Mrs. Well,
MRS.
well, they already know that. It doesn't matter. There's plenty of videos to show. But yeah, so we headed to the new place. So I wanted to show you guys. I know I didn't get to it first, but you know we are gonna do it today. Hopefully we make it there in time. If not, then y'all have to see it another day. So let's just get out and we're gonna enjoy the day together. With your boy Rell to Rell. Y'all already know what it is. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm the man. Yeah. Peace. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. What?
Why you start talking so fast?
Because I was trying to go ahead end it off right there. You know, I don't want to rush it and prolong it. Well, not rush it, but you know, I ain't want to prolong it out and people get to clicking off the video. Got to keep it entertaining as possible. So y'all really know what it is. Know what I'm saying? TTT. Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, y'all. Peace.
To the office, I'll be able to tell you if it's the exact floor plan, if it's a little bit, but whatever it is, I'll be able to tell you.
It's the bathroom in the front.
It's my first day.
Accents wall. They did say something about we can do the accent walls, I think. No, I think they do it. You guys do the accent walls, though.
Yeah, so it's $45.
Mhm.
That covers it being painted and also it going back to the original color once y'all move out, so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay. Yeah. I was gonna be where the door is gonna be right here, right?
For the garage.
For the to go down.
I believe so.
2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
Usually my 2 bedrooms are off of the laundry room.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we was trying to figure out because we saw a bathroom or something on one of the pictures right here, right?
Looking at the pictures online, so we're trying to see. Actually, I might go briefly.
Yeah, I think that's.
Back appliances. Those cabinets, tough. Bloody cabinets. Washer room. And then floating cabinets. Need floating cabinet. Room. TT. What? I gotta give them a video. They want to be entertained. She remember I do YouTube. Yeah.
I like and subscribe.
You liked and subscribed, right? Okay. Making sure. But y'all see the bathroom? This tub, huge. This camera do not do it justice. Closet, huge. This actual closet have a door. They just took it off so you can see the inside, see everything. Like right off. Little closet for the towels and bathroom stuff. I'm like, man, these cabinets off the chain. Like they have big masters.
So if you see anything, it's going to be of this small.
This is the new place.
Oh, okay.
Relax.
I don't know if it's a 1062 square foot apartment.
Relax. Chill out and relax.
It'll help me. It lets me know if it's going to
At
be
the
this
computer
one, if it's gonna
section.
be the bigger version of this
For me,
one.
edit my
Or
videos.
if we go back to the office, I can pull you out.
Got some fruit in case you want to eat. Your throat might get clogged up with that fruit right there. I don't think they gonna digest well. Yeah, this is a nice size guest bedroom. Nice size guest. So I like it. What you guys think, man? Get down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think. Got the wood floors. Full size 2 bath. 2 bath, 2 full bedrooms. Well, 2 bedroom, 2 full bath. I got this up here, big for storage, and got storage down here. So, yeah, I like it. I can't wait to get in here. I will be in here next week. Making new memories, y'all. Making new memories.
We have gas grills.
Got the backsplash.
And then
See
go
that?
down the garage. I remember that.
Cold backsplash. Even more storage over the refrigerator. It's a lot of storage space. Finally. Camera off. I cut it back on. You want to say that again?
Yeah, with your car, and then it's gonna be a red line so where you can pull the grill out.
Okay, so
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
we hit the jackpot.
Wait, it might be meat in the freezer.
Oh, nice.
Tequila in the freezer.
No, it ain't. Yeah, let me grab one of these. Thank you.
You're supposed to have one. Give me a watermelon, please, sir.
What's this, ginger ale? Oh, watermelon.
You're not gonna like this.
I will. With some chips.
Heated taste buds who could do
Thank you.
sparkling. I cannot.
I can't, but you know, I'm gonna do it today. It's watermelon.
Today.
Today. So y'all, let's get out of her way. She told us to rush.
Say it real quick.
You know, you know you can't open a refrigerator with black folks around like that. Come on now. I'm just messing with you. It's all good.
No.
No. They can run the leg. Just the office part. If my laptop go, I can come up here, do some quick stuff for my YouTube channel. The part right here. And we have this area back here. Oh, can't get in there. Got the running equipment with the TV. Watch whatever you want to watch. That's the thing about here. You can change the TV to whatever. Exactly. So, got the little yoga room. Got all your other stuff, your weights, everything you need to get yourself together. Got it all right here. Got this for this, cause it is nasty. Pull that out ASAP. Can't take that taste no more. This is where I'll be a lot, playing pool, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at that pool out there. Out there getting their sunburn on. Yes, sir.
1 hour later.
We're about to walk up into Nebraska Furniture Mart. This thing so big. This thing like a warehouse. Well, it is a warehouse. I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. It's a big warehouse too of furniture. Table now. This thing so big. The elevator right there. We going up the escalator. Car interior. Look like some car interior. What y'all doing? That's what I'm talking about. Yep, that's the couch. No, I'm talking about for the kids because they ran straight to it and jumped on. You know which one it is when they run and jump on. Good though. And it's big as shit.
How much is it?
Clearance 2,300, 2,400 to be exact. That's 6. I don't like the other ones. It is a clearance bar. Y'all know we black folk now. Gotta look at something in clearance too. Yeah, I like them up there. Color is good. Like that with the little patterns and stuff on. Don't bag back from this camera. Yeah, that's great. Sure, I pay $250 for these, like.
This one's big, it's 17 feet. Oh, it's at the headboard.
Probably the headboard. Cause this, I know for sure, This got storage all the way around. Well, not on the side. Well, at the bottom right there. How big is this? It's deep enough.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, it's deep enough. Nice sheets. You'll fall asleep on these sheets. Oh, put them sheets back. Yeah, that one look good. Yep. King bed. Or you can get a queen. Right there. It got the big fans and everything on it. The big fans. That'll be crazy for editing on. That laptop shit is just for on the road or work now. I want these type screens. Swivel. Big one. Put two of them things side by side. 198. Yeah, I game. This the game. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was to play some game. Yep, they got you. Look like some headlights. Challenger headlights. Dang, son. This junk got 3 fans in it right there. This junk crazy. Oh, yeah. This the one. This the one right here. This the one. 748. That's for the whole thing. Is that just... Hold on. Okay, the power PC. That's for that. It must be separate price. Yeah, that's for that. That's for the monitor. I think this the one I need to get right here. Hey, this the one I was talking about. Oh, he been out here playing the game right here. On this thing. But this the one with the 2. It look like it's 2 put together. The one look like the 2 screens together. That's the one I'm talking about.
They don't let you play on this stuff.
I know. That thing, that's a beast. Beast in the streets right there. Dude down here playing Fortnite. And on YouTube at the same time. Oh, hey, how you doing? Fortnite for the gamers. That's crazy. What is it? Ampex or something? Bubblegum?
I don't even know what I'm doing. RV balance.
I don't even know what that is. I don't need to sit down. See? That's what, it's comfort your ass talks, your bus talks. I don't know who ears all them been on. I ain't coming out here with no ear funkers on my ear. And then these, you can build them to what you want. Dang, why did he get off it? And then you know, I like that. You know how you can go from side to screen. That should be so hard. I know, I like this. I gotta give me something like this. I need this in my life. I don't see nothing on here. Wait, he was just at Fortnite. Where'd it go? I was trying to see him play. Oh well, I ain't finna look for it. Let me get off this. How much is this shit? $2,700. It come with the mic. I don't know. It probably don't come with that mic. Damn, that's the one. Shit. This month so long. Shit, that look like a TV. Now we made it out here to the Forward Center, to the headquarters, to the practice center. That a Cowboy, huh? Right here, the star. Y'all see it on saying Emmett Smith, 22.
Oh, yeah, because you could have got his name too. Yeah, that's what I was trying to get.
What you talking about, me?
Yeah.
Talking about Emmett Smith. The Raising Cane. Bon appetit. A lot of traffic. Bon appetit. Don't throw up your peace sign at my followers.
decide that one. So,
Exactly.
I'm really don't see
Can't have one. Cheating what?
we supposed to be vegan. He said cheating when I said
Drip like this. Drip like this. Gotta have bag, get a drip like this. Gotta have cash, get a gift like this.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Ice bar drip my wrist. Walk up in the club and I drip on the beat. You know I'm a P, I might pimp on the beat. Call little money, got the drip like this.